Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something very different to what we've done before. We're actually going to attempt to do a Chrome delete on the Model 3. Check it out. Okay, so you can see here I received the new kit from TeslaBros. This is a Chrome delete kit that they have, and we're just gonna open it up, see the instructions, see how it's all done, and then move over to the car. But first I want to show you what the car looks like now so you can compare what it looks after we do the job. Alright? First, before we actually start, let's make sure that all the parts are nice and clean. This will help ensure that all the adhesive from the 3M TeslaBros Chrome Delete kit attaches properly to the car and that it's not going to come off. So now that the car is nice and clean and everything's ready to be attached, what we're gonna do is start with the left rear corner of the kit and install it. First thing you need to do is basically attach it, align it properly, making sure that there are no bubbles or as little bubbles as possible. And then you use the tools that can come with the kit that will allow you to properly do the inserts or notch down behind the chrome any excess vinyl that you have. So these tools come with the kit. One of them has a very soft touch so it doesn't scratch your paint, and what you do is that you just go all over the edges and making sure that everything is nice and tucked. As you see it, you will notice any imperfections that you can actually apply some pressure to them and everything becomes like really smooth. Very simple process, and if you have any questions about how to do this, just watch the TeslaBros website where they have all the videos with all the details. There's one or two cuts that you have to do throughout the project so that you can properly finish up some edges. Then after you do this part, what you're gonna do is that you're going to use some heat. You're going to apply some heat with either a heat gun or you can use like a normal hair dryer to apply some heat to it, and then that ensures that it just sticks to the surface and it's not gonna come off. Very straightforward process, but like I said before, this is not a how-to video. It's just to show you what the car looks like before and after I do the kit, showing you some of the parts of doing the installation. And if you want more details, just go to the TeslaBros website and check it out. The details are very good, very detailed on how to do everything. So all you have to do is really follow the instructions and be very patient, because this is not a 15-minute job. This is something that takes some time. So now I'm gonna let you watch how I did the rest of the car, at least one side, and then you're gonna see the before and after of the project. And please let me know what you think about it. Leave your comments down below and let me know what you think.